Okay, good evening everyone, high school.
Good evening, Teacher Arlene. Good evening, classmates. It's nice to see you this evening.
So, ang atong buhaton karon since wala mamoy lain trabahoon, na ako'y mga question nga ihatag ninyo, then answer sa inyong magnetic, kung si tawagan na niya magnetic board, within 5 seconds, then raise your answer. Kasabot?
Yes.
No choices ang ako ang ihatag nga question. Okay, let's start. How many colors in a rainbow? The correct answer is 7. Next, how many years in the decade?
Huh?
10. Pila?
Open!
Correct answer is 10 years. Inside, original nag-answer na. Okay, sige. Next. Ayaw mo syagit kung sa inyong answer para ako pa kabalo. Next. How many years in a century? Pila ka tuig sa isa ka century?
20.
The correct answer is razor. Come on, ano answer?
Year.
Century is 100 years. Okay, Kian got the correct answer. How about the other? Next. How many hours in a week? Pila ka oras ang naa sa isa ka semana? Ala, ihap, sige.
25.
How many hours in a week?
24 hours.
Isa ka semana. Okay, raise your answer.
24 times.
The correct answer is 1 week, 168. All, kiyan gihapon na, kiyan gihapon. Ang nakakuha o correct answer, 168 hours are there in 1 week. Next, how many sides in a pentagon have? Pentagon have.
5.
Very good. Almost all of you get correct answer. Why na 9 magkadong? 5 is the correct answer. Pentagon. 5. Agoy. Let's go to sa mga knowledge. At to sa laing planeta. How many months, buwan, does Mars have? Mars. Correct answer is 2. Kian, go bright ni Kian, uy. Almost man correct ang answer ni Kian, uy. Next. How many alphabet in English? English alphabet.
Ay, murag mo na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The correct answer is 26. How about Greek alphabet? Sa Greek alphabet, sa Greek. Ang isang alphabet na to ba?
36.
No. No.
7.
Okay, next. Mathematics. Pila may 3/4 sa 100?
Ha?
3/4 of 100.
Yan, 45.
Ha? Pila?
25.
25 is 1/4 of 100. 3/4 akong gipangutana. 75 is correct answer. 3/4 ang akong gipangutana, not 1/4.
Guys, tama pa yun. Taba, wrong na ka.
Next. 5 times 10 minus 10.
Huh?
5 times 10 minus 10. 5 times 10 minus 10 equals 40. Okay, Shania. Paspasas uban no. Ang uban, wala siya mo andar.
Annyeonghaseyo, this is Teacher Pam, together with Amanda and Vanessa, helping and assisting with regards of the special class.
Exclamatory. Ang assertive or declarative sentence, kasabot mo sa paan? This sentence daw relates to facts, thoughts, opinions, and end of full stop. So, buot pasabot, kani ko na siya, nagsulti siya o facts. Nag-express kasi mong thoughts or naghatag kag opinion. For example niya kay, basaha.
David loves traveling with friends.
Balik.
David loves traveling with friends.
Karon, ang unsa may kuan niya, si David kuno kay loves traveling with friends. Ang gibutang diri ang declarative sentence man kuno kay nag-end og full stop. Buot pasabot nag-end siya og period. Period nga kanang ana jud siya kutob nga sentence. Naghatag siya facts, naghatag siya thoughts, naghatag po siya opinion. Pantan, kuana ko o kanang kuan. Kuana ko o si kanang Sofia loves Eliza so much. Magpasabot na declarative kay nagsulti ko og facts, naghatag ko sa mong opinion or nagsulti ko sa kong thoughts. Ikaduha nga type sa sentence kay
Imperative.
oh, imperative sentence. Karon sa imperative sentence kuno kay nag-express og order, nanugo ka. Basta imperative kay
Padugo sa shop.
oh, paltan, awang example niya, basa.
Go to the grocery shop.
Oh, di ba, nagunsa mo siya, nanugo siya wa.
Logo.
Oh, so, kaya kong example be, sa imperative.
Ako.
Oh, ikaw, hata example. Nanugo.
Daig tubig.
Gaya kong tubig, ikaw.
Baliti kong pagkaon.
Oh, sakto, ikaw. Nanugo ko no.
Natod ko sila sila.
Sakto mo na imperative sentence. Ikatulo, interrogative sentence. Kung sa may pasabot anang interrogative sentence. Pasabot sa interrogative sentence kay nangutana siya. Nangutana. Pasabot sa interrogative sentence kay
Nangutana.
nangutana. Pasabot sa interrogative sentence kay
Nangutana.
nangutana. Unsa may kana example niya. When did you even come to my house? Kanus ka moari sa among balay. Diba nangutana siya? Oh, mao nay interrogative. Interrogative kanang which means nakagipangutana na ikaw hatag example. Interrogative sentence nga example.
Anos ana ibuhat
Oh, ikaw.
anos
Ikaw.
uns amal mabuhat kani.
Oh, sakto. Mao na ay interrogative sentence kay nangutana. Unsa gina interrogative sentence?
Nangutana.
Oh.
Okay, students, for this afternoon, you have a performance task. So we will have an oral recitation with regards of the types of sentences. And I am hoping that you will have a better English conversation skills. So let's have a practice. Okay, let's start.
Hey friends, let's tackle about the types of sentences with Teacher Pam. There are 4 types of sentences. The first one is the assertive or declarative sentence. The sentence relates so fast, thoughts, opinions, and ends with a full stop. Can someone give me an example?
Asserting. Narrative is so smart.
Oh. The next, Desiree. Assertive or declarative sentence.
Joey is pretty.
Oh, yes, it's true. The next, Chloe.
Desiree is pretty.
Then the last but not the least, Jean.
Alia is smart.
Then the second one is the imperative sentence. An imperative sentence express an order, request, command, and suggestion. Let's read it again together. Imperative sentence. An imperative sentence express an order, request, command, and suggestion. Then, give me an example of this. The first one is Jill.
April. April. Can you give my phone?
Oh. The next one is Angel Nicole.
Chloe. Chloe, give me my phone and my notebook.
Oh. The next one is Desiree.
Hey Nicole, can you give me the books?
Oh. Then the last but not the least, Chloe.
Can you give me the fruits?
Oh. Then the third one is the interrogative sentence. Let's read together. Interrogative sentence means a sentence that asks a question and ends with a question mark. Then, can someone give me an example of this? First, Chloe.
Where did she go?
What did you say? I can't hear. Pardon, please.
Where did she go?
Next, Desiree.
Where are you from?
I'm from Budo. Then next, Nicole.
What is your name?
The last but not the least, Jen.
Can you teach me how to draw?
Oh. Then the fourth one is the exclamatory sentence. Let's read it together, please. A sentence that expresses some strong, unexpected, and extraordinary emotion. Then, again, give me an example of these. Desiree.
Yes, I read it.
Oh. Ingon ka na, dapat bakay strong emotion extreme. Yes, I made it. Ha? Sige, ikaw sunod si Chloe. Ouch, my eyes. Oh. Next, Jen.
Yes, I want the game.
Oh.
No, don't touch this.
Oh, that's
Okay, students, very good. So, more on practice. You did a good job for this afternoon's performance task. Fighting!
Fighting!
Okay, goodbye. Mamuhi na ta. Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida.